Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best clothing racks to organize your clothes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Iris USA Pi B3 Garment Rack. A small room needs a compact closet, and the Iris USA Pi B3 Garment Rack is one such compatible clothes rack. It comes with an angled metallic frame to keep your clothes away from the walls. The 3-step wooden shelves have a weight capacity of 11 pounds each and can hold your footwear, folded clothes, accessories, and handbags. Hang your long coats and dresses over the 2-foot-long clothes hanging rod that can bear 22 pounds. The stand helps you easily organize your clothes and accessories, and you can reach out to anything with one grasp. This clothing rack is available in 2 color options, a white frame with light brown wood and a black frame with dark brown wood. Moving on, at number 4, we have VIPEK Freestanding Garment Rack. If you have ever dreamt of having a wardrobe with movable shelves, this freestanding garment rack can be your choice of clothes rack. The 5-tier VIPEK freestanding garment rack comes with height-adjustable shelves that can be customized according to your storage needs. Since clothes on hangers save more space, the stand comes with 4 clothes hanging rails, each accommodating 33 pounds of weight. You can assemble this rack in a straight line or in an L shape to fit the corner walls of your room. Hang long coats, dresses, trousers, and tops on the rods and place your suitcases, footwear, and other accessories on the shelves. At number 3, we have Simple Trending Rolling Clothes Rack. A clothes rack with wheels can change the look of your room and effortlessly clean up corners. If you are looking for one such rack, get the Simple Trending Rolling Clothes Rack, a heavy-duty clothing rack designed to hang your clothes and make your small space tidy. The rack has a bottom shelf for boxes or shoes. You can hang short and long garments on the height-adjustable central hanging rod. The top rod is 30.5 inches long, and you can extend it up to 40.5 inches to accommodate more clothing. The entire stand bears 150 pounds of weight, and you can access your clothes easily when you hang them here. Made with high-resistant metal, the whole frame is coated with chromium to prevent rust formation. At number 2, we have BATHWA Rolling Garment Rack. Are you in need of a closet that is spacious and movable? Get the BATHWA Rolling Garment Rack, the perfect heavy-duty clothes rack that comes with wheels. This rectangular rack has a frame that comes with 3 adjustable shelves, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. You can place folded clothes, footwear, and boxes here. The top and middle shelves extend into 2 anti-slip rods for you to hang your clothes. This heavy-duty steel body can accommodate 133 pounds of weight at once and become the best storage rack for homes. And finally, at number 1, GWH Wall-Mounted Clothes Rack. For homes with tiny rooms, the GWH Wall-Mounted Clothes Rack can be a space-saving hanging clothes rack that consumes no floor space at all. The 36-inch circular clothes railing is made of industry-grade iron pipe. This railing is attached to a pinewood shelf that effortlessly holds folded clothes, boxes, and bags. You can adjust the stand anywhere in your room at any height and get quick access to clothes. You can also use this as a closet clothes rack by mounting it in your tiny closet and making it extra spacious. The stand can be mounted in your bathroom to hang your bathrobes and place your creams and other essentials. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.